बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है। आज हमारी वीडियो का टॉपिक है टॉगल्स ड्राइंग मैनेजमेंट। इसमें हम ऑटोकैड की ड्राइंग्स को मैनेज करेंगे टॉगल्स की के थ्रू। इट्स वेरी इजी और ये आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा ऑटोकैड यूजर्स के लिए और वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव है। तो होपफुली ये वीडियो आपके बहुत काम आएगी और इसके साथ मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, हमारे साथ रहें, तो आपको बहुत सारी लर्निंग स्किल मिले। थैंक यू सो मच। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। और वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल मिस्टर HSK. Once again you are with us and regarding the learning skills of AutoCAD. So today we have a short topics. We have to go for our topics. Our topic is regarding the toggle drawing management. So in this topic we just talking about the function keys from F1 to F7. Okay, so we should have to go on our AutoCADs. So AutoCAD is going to be open. You guys just wait for a while, then we will pursue it a little bit. Okay, so now I am at my AutoCAD has been open, so I have to open any of my drawing. I go for any cross sections. So now it has been open. Okay, so first we have to go for our first function is F1. So when you going to press the F1, it's going to open your display help. It's very normal. There is a little bit some sort of help regarding the AutoCAD. First they tell you about the AutoCAD, have you hired and learn, connect, resources, quick reference, download. If you want to search anything, you can search here, enter keywords. It's very simple. Okay, so now we have to go for second function F2. I'm gonna press it. Okay, it's tell opening an AutoCAD 2004 and LT 2004 file format, regenerating model, manually to be loaded. It's tell each and everything. This file is a trusted drawing last saved by an AutoCAD application. It's tell you each and everything. Just tell you the toggle text screen, what you guys have doing in AutoCAD, which mode you have saved and which format. Okay, and third is our F3, toggle object snap mode. So you're going to press it F3. So on snap has been off. Let me tell you, there is no opening of snap. So I'm gonna press it again. Now it's going to be open. Okay, so it's very simple. So next function is F4. If I press F4, so it's 3D on snap open. You can read it here and you can press it to close it. And because I'm working in 2D, I don't need to go for it. And next is the F5. It's toggle isoplane. If you call the S-plane, the top iso view is open. Is you can read it here. As I close that, it's right, left. You can press it to get the information regarding it. Second, we have to go for F6, toggle dynamic UFC. I'm gonna press it. FC is dynamics UCF off. I don't need to work with it, so I'm gonna press it to close it. Next one is F7, toggle create mode. I'm gonna press it after mode. You can see the background with the crease has been off. If I press it again, it's going to be open. Okay, it's very simple. Some keys, you guys connecting with us for more videos and more learning skill regarding the AutoCAD. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channels for more video and please remember me in your prayer. God bless you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.